Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue if your Threads application is not working as properly as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're trying to use the Threads application on your device, however, you are facing various issues such as the application crashing or not launching at all, then there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this issue. The first thing to do is to check for updates to make sure that you are updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then tap on the search box. Now just type in Threads and start your search. And once you find the Threads application, if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this in order to install the latest updates. Tap on this button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will once again see the open button, which you can tap on and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't help your case, then you will need to clear the application cache or data. Long press on the Threads application and then tap on the App Info button. Now from the App Info page, tap on Force Stop in order to stop the application first. And then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the Storage menu, tap on Clear Data and proceed with deleting all of your user data from the application. After this, you can open up the app and you will be asked to log back into your account once again. But after you log back in, the application will start to run smoothly and you will not face any issues anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the issue of the Threads application not working properly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.